Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing one Firebase project and the local workspace. This saves time later. Once you've created the project and enabled Firestore, make sure billing is configured if you require production limits. Install Node.js and the Firebase CLI so you can initialize and deploy. Then open your app folder, run npm init to create package, JSON, and run Firebase init Firestore to scaffold config and rule files. This starts the live workflow and gives you the files to edit next. Now you'll model data and configure access. This is the detailed middle work that prevents costly rewrites. Start by designing collections and document shapes for predictable queries, avoiding deep nesting to reduce read costs. Next, author security rules that check request, auth and custom claims, and then run the emulator to validate behavior locally. Once rules work, install the appropriate Firebase SDK, modular v9 or compat, and wire credentials using environment variables so deployments don't expose keys. This readies your app for integration and testing. Finish by deploying and validating everything before shipping. Deploy Firestore rules and indexes with Firebase, deploy only Firestore, then run integration tests across your app to confirm reads, writes, and auth flows behave as expected. Make sure to monitor the Firebase console for index errors and slow queries, and adjust models or add composite indexes as needed. If something fails, enable emulator logging and use the rules simulator to reproduce the issue. That single tip lets you isolate permission or logic errors quickly without impacting production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.